Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. John here. I found this amazing personal portable oven on Amazon. Now this is going to be great if you're on the go like me. I'm usually eating my meals outside anyway. So this is going to be great for reheating anything that you can think of, and you can take it with you when you travel. Or if you guys have a power outage or something, it's going to be great for reheating any kind of meals. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now, the great thing about this is it's not going to dry out your food when it reheats it. You look at it, it looks a little bit like a lunchbox. So what I would recommend is when you take this with you, you can actually package your lunch in here, and then you can use it to reheat your lunch when you get to the job or wherever you're eating at. So you notice this nice reflective lining here. That's amazing. It's got a strap that comes with it. It has the heating element that goes right inside of here. And it comes with these instructions. So we're going to go ahead and get this figured out and see how it works.